It's two things you can eat, put in the refrigerator, and when you bring it out, it'll taste like it's fresh, like you just got it. One was three things. One, Chinese food. Two, hibachi food. And them Subway sandwiches. Woo! If you eat it and then put it in the refrigerator, or if you have one that you put in the refrigerator and then go back hours later and eat it, it will taste like you just got it. It'll taste set fresh. For real. I'm telling you. You ain't got to warm it up. You're welcome. Shamee just goes to the rescue.